with a friend. Here's the recipe of a giant strawberry entertainment. Superglue 2 big sponges. Make another identical detail. Shape a block. Attach 2 sponge details using double-sided tape. Cut a strawberry shape out of the block and separate the 2 parts. Roll out red soft clay and wrap it around each half of the strawberry. Snip off the excess and smooth out the joining. Shape drops from yellow soft clay. Attach them to the strawberry to imitate the seeds. Shape leaves from green soft clay and attach them on top. Mix stationery glue and red acrylic paint. Add contact lens solution. Put in a little baking soda. Mix to get the slime. Pour it out between the 2 halves of the strawberry. You can stretch, squeeze, and knead this strawberry dessert without being afraid to spoil it. And while others are busy cooking strawberry jam, we're calming down with the big strawberry slime. It is so soft, bright, and stretchy that I don't want to share it. I take the strawberry and run away. Dolly is having a bad day. At first, her flat iron attacks her. It grasps her on her ear so that it gets burnt. Then her phone runs away. Bang! Right down on the floor. Why am I so unlucky? When the blue-eyed girl sees how desperate her friend is, her heart melts. Here you are. Drink some water. But the water is against her too. She chokes and spills it over. Well, once regular stress-relieving methods do not help, we need to come up with something special. But what? I've got an idea. I will make a funny stress ball for my unhappy friend. Put a lot of glitter of different shapes and colors into stationery glue. Add sequins. Stir the glittering mass. Add a little borax and stir to make super glittering slime. Inflate a clear bubble balloon a little. Insert a funnel made out of a plastic bottle. Put the slime inside the balloon. I tie up the balloon and draw a cute muzzle on it. I add an inspiring note to the balloon. A soft and funny stress reliever is ready. Meet Glittering Cutie. It is happy to see you. You can squeeze it and hug it. There is no stress we can be afraid of with this lovely stress ball. It makes Dolly's day. Summer day! Cooling fruit milkshake is exactly what I need. But the grass is always greener on the other side, and my friend's drink looks mysterious. That's some kind of secret recipe. Dolly opens up the cap and the drink doesn't pour out. The milk foam stays at its place. And the drink is so thick, but it becomes crystal clear that this is not a milkshake when my friend pulls it out with her hand. We will need an empty milkshake cup. Mix stationery glue with purple pigment. Stir. Add liquid laundry detergent and mix it to make slime. Put it in the bottom of the cup. This is the first layer of the milkshake slime. Mix equal amounts of white glue and stationery glue for the second layer. Add the pigment. Pour in the detergent and make slime of a pale shade. Add a little glitter. Put the second layer of the milkshake slime into the cup. Mix white glue and the detergent for the top layer. Make the slime and put it into the cup. Smooth out the edges with a stick. The milkshake with foam is ready. Take the milkshake out of the cup and stretch it out in different directions. They say food is not a toy, but how can we miss an opportunity to play with this milkshake? It's just jumping into our hands. And while my friend got carried away with the milkshake slime, I can drink her real milkshake sneakily. She is so deep into it that she doesn't notice anything. At last, the blue-eyed girl sees that her real milkshake has disappeared mysteriously. Oops, it's because of my friend. The distracting slimes worked. Did you like our stress-relieving slime and squishy ideas? Then write in your comments which creative stress reliever you will make. Will you make a fruit milkshake slime? sneak in a slimy snail, or make a sticky strawberry dessert. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas on the Troom Troom channel.